want to prepare 1 by 20 molar oxalic acid. Molecular mass is 126. So how much will you weigh per liter? 126 into 1 by 20. So what it comes out to be? 6.3 grams per liter. अब आपने प्रिपेयर करना है 100 ml, तो क्या हो जाएगा 0.63 grams per 100 ml. ठीक है, 0.63 grams per 100 ml. All right. Now how will we weigh it? We will weigh it in this balance. Now in this balance, if you see it, there is a beam which is golden in color. Can you see this beam? It's the golden beam. And in this beam, in the center is 0. On this side, there are 10 divisions. On this side, there are 10 divisions. And then there are some screws here on both sides. Screw which can be moved. Okay? Is it visible to you? Then you have two pans, the left pan and the right pan. And in the center, there is a pointer that you will see when you come this side. In the center, on this side, there is a pointer. And this pointer moves on a small scale. यहाँ नीचे, here there is a small scale on my side. I will show it to you. Now, in this scale, the pointer is in the center and it has to move equally on both sides. If the balance is working properly, the pointer has to move equally on both sides when I move this knob. There is a knob here. When I rotate this knob clockwise, this pointer has to move equally on both sides if my balance is working properly. Okay? Supposing it's not working properly. In fact, this is not working properly. And the pointer is moving on this side, that is the right side more. This pointer is moving on right side more. So it means that the right side is light. This is not properly balanced, and the right side is light in weight. Okay? So before starting my weighing, I have to make it equal. And how will I do it? By moving this screw outwards. If I move this screw outwards, I am increasing this length and I am adding weight to it. Okay? So this is how I have to balance it. Now supposing this has been balanced. Now I have to weigh, take the weight. So what I will do, I will take a watch glass, this is called a watch glass, and place it on the left hand pan. And on the right hand pan, I will place the weights and balance it. Okay? Now, we are not supposed to hold the weights, because if we hold the weights, we will be adding some dust into them and increasing their weight. Okay? So we don't have to hold the weights in our hands. We have to pick them up with this forcer. So now to balance it, supposing I place here, this is 10 grams weight, and then I'm adding 5 grams more to it, and then I move the screw to see whether it's moving equal on both sides. No, it's moving on this side. This means this is still light, so I will add more weight to it. 2 gram more I have added, and 1 gram, and another 2 gram I have added. So total I have added 10, 5 and 4, that is 19 grams. And now I will see if it brings some change. Actually this balance is not working properly anyway. We will see that it will be going on this side more. That is, I have added more than what is required. So I'll have to reduce the weight. This is, I have added 19. take out 2 and then add 1, then check. Still you will find that weights are less. Then we will, to balance it, we will add into it fractional weights. These are milligram weights. We will add into it milligram weights. So we will add 500 milligram, then check. In this way we will keep on changing, and finally we will reach a stage when the two pans are, when it is completely balanced. The two pans are completely balanced. So now here we have written the weight below this. It is actually 18.75. So I will put here 18 grams and then 750 milligrams. 750 milligram means 500 milligram, then 200 milligram, and then 50 milligram. So now supposing we have done this, it is balanced. How we will know that it is balanced? The pointer has to move equally on both the sides. Now we will add, after balancing this, we will add into it 0.63 grams, because we have to weigh 630 milligrams of oxalic acid. So we will add into it 500 milligrams, then 100 milligrams, then 50, and then 10. So it makes 630 milligrams. 630 milligram we will add into it, and then we will add oxalic acid on this side and balance. Okay, so in this way we will be able to get the correct weight of oxalic acid. Okay, 630 milligrams. So supposing I have already got 630 milligrams of oxalic acid, I have weighed it. Got 630 milligrams of oxalic acid. So this is 630 milligrams. Now I have to prepare the solution. You know, sometimes what happens when we are weighing this, we need to add weight less than even 10 milligrams, and we don't have that in the fractional weight. It's already finished. There is no smaller weight present in it. So in that case, then we use another thing which is called a rider. This is a rider, you know, it's human figure, then made it. We will put that rider here on this, with one leg on one side and one leg on the other side, like that. गिर गया ना? It's gone down?
No, मैं ऊपर ही है.
ऊपर ही है. Just as one rides on a bike, ऐसे इसको यहाँ पे डाल देंगे.
उसका एक लेग टूट गया.
हाँ. One leg on this side, the other leg on that side. हाँ? और इस I have added, put it on 7. So that means I have added 7 milligrams into this. Okay. If while balancing I use it on this side, then I will subtract 7 milligrams. If I use it on this side, I will add 7 milligrams. Okay. That is the use of the rider. Now we have weighed 0.63 milligrams. Now we have to prepare a solution. So the solution will be prepared in a measuring flask. This is a 100 ml measuring flask. There is a mark here. Here there is a mark. Up to this mark, it is 100 milligrams, 100 milliliters. So what we will do? Put a funnel on this and oxalic acid in the watch glass, and slowly pour water over it so that whole of it enters the measuring flask. Wash it properly. Now wash even this so that not even a particle remains attached. Whole of it goes inside it. Okay? Let's remove the funnel now. Close it. Shake it to dissolve it. dissolved. Now you add into it water and make the volume 100 ml. Keep on adding water until the lower meniscus touches this line. The lower meniscus touches this line. Once this happens, just move it upside down to dissolve it completely, and this is your solution. With this solution, then we will do the titration. Okay? So this is how solution has to be prepared. So that's all.